So now talking about the weather, what could be a very serious day on Friday.
Yeah, that's true. And the models, the forecast into the future does show that the potential of things to exist regarding the severe weather threat. Just have to see how it all plays out for tomorrow, but it's a preparation for what's to come. Even if we don't see a whole lot, we still have to be prepared before things actually begin to arrive. A decent breeze outside tonight. It is warm. It's also quite muggy too. A few showers on the radar. We'll check those here in just a moment. Temperatures into the upper 60s and around 70 degrees. Let me give you a check of the East Texas Storm Team radar. Most areas are in good shape for us, but there are a couple of showers that are passing through. Again, nothing really significant, but they are off to our north and to the northwest. Give you a closer look here. You notice it back toward Tyler, a few light showers here. But you get up toward Interstate 30, there's a couple of moderate showers that are trying to develop, and a little bit more back to near Canton, Gun Barrel City, and Henderson County, and more trying to come out of parts of Central Texas and near Interstate 45. All we will see tonight is just going to be some light rain showers that will push on through. Here's a look at futurecast for the rest of tonight. Looks like that rain chance will hold in our central and northern areas especially, but a couple of sprinkles certainly cannot be ruled out elsewhere. We get into tomorrow morning. Again, a cloudy start, some light rainfall will be around, a wet commute for us once again. Also, windy conditions can be expected. Now we get into time going into the afternoon. We're monitoring the potential of some supercell, or what we call individual storm development, that can form ahead of the main line. Futurecast is already trying to show that near parts of the Metroplex, up near the Red River. We could see some of that too here in East Texas because the ingredients are all coming together for that to take place. It's just a matter of where and when they will occur. And any time before the line moves in, we have that potential. Here's 5 o'clock. Some of the additional supercell storms are possible. The line is forming out west of DFW. That will be the line that has the cold front associated with it. We get into tomorrow evening. This is when the main line of storms will start to move in. This is 7 or 8 o'clock. Still some supercell storms as a possibility. There's the line crossing I-35 heading toward Interstate 45. We pause the clock at 10 or 11 o'clock on Friday night, and this line is really beginning to move in. So with this line arriving, damaging wind gusts will be the #1 concern here along the leading edge. Can you get a tornado to form along this edge? Absolutely. That's two things we'll have to watch for into the overnight hours going into Saturday morning. There's midnight Saturday. That line, a very intense line. You notice the darker colors there moving through deep East Texas, our eastern areas, continuing to move off toward the east over toward Toledo Bend into the early morning hours on Saturday. After about 4 or 5 a.m., the severe threat is over. Still some lingering showers, and notice here the model picking up on perhaps maybe some wet snowflakes or some sleet. There won't be any accumulation though. It's because the upper low is so slow to move on out. Let me backtrack to that severe threat one more time. Why are we going to see the potential of rotating thunderstorms? The atmosphere has a lot of wind energy, and one of the exclusive models here at the East Texas Storm Center allowing us to detect the potential of rotation in the storms, areas of darker orange. That's where we have the potential, and you notice that encompasses everybody, but this is also when we're at peak heating of the day. So if we do see an individual storm that forms, that raises the potential a lot more for us to see a tornado. In the meantime, the two big concerns, of course, heavy rain, but damaging wind gusts will also occur. It's a severe weather alert to put it all together in the 7-day for tomorrow, ending early Friday morning. And look at Saturday's temperature. It is 40 degrees in the afternoon. So not only are we getting storms, but we have much colder air to move in by the start of the weekend. We will rebound next week. Deep East Texas also with storms. We could warm up tomorrow to the upper 70s potentially, and that just adds fuel to the fire. So that's something, all of that we have to keep an eye on.
That's a 35-degree drop.
It is a big change.
It's crazy. All right.
All right. Coming up.